Welcome to this lesson on the simple present tense, specifically focusing on the third person singular form. In this video, we will learn how to add s and es to verbs when using he, she, or it. This is an essential grammar rule for speaking and writing English correctly. Let's start by reviewing subject pronouns. We have singular pronouns, I, you, and he or she or it. And we have plural pronouns, we, you, and they. The important thing to remember is that only the third person singular pronouns, he, she, and it, require a change to the verb. All other pronouns use the base form of the verb without any changes. Here is the basic rule for most verbs. For the third person singular, we simply add the letter s to the base form of the verb. For example, the verb walk becomes walks. The verb eat becomes eats. The verb read becomes reads. This is the most common and straightforward rule you will encounter. However, there are exceptions. When a verb ends in the letters s, x, z, ch, or sh, we do not just add s instead, we add es. For example, the verb pass becomes passes. The verb fix becomes fixes. The verb watch becomes watches. These letters create a sound that requires the extra e for proper pronunciation. Another important rule involves verbs that end in a consonant followed by the letter y. When you have this pattern, you must change the y to I and then add es so the verb study becomes studies. The verb try becomes tries. The verb carry becomes carries. Notice that the y is completely replaced, not just have an s added to it. But be careful. If a verb ends in a vowel followed by the letter y, you simply add s without making any changes. The vowels are a, e, I, o, and u. For example, the verb play becomes plays. The verb enjoy becomes enjoys. The verb buy becomes buys. Since there is a vowel before the y does not change. Now let's compare the different pronouns side by side. When we use I, you, we, or they, the verb stays in its base form. So we say I walk, you walk, we walk, they walk. But when we use he, she, or it, the verb changes. He walks, she walks, it walks. This is the key difference in the simple present tense. Only the third person singular form is different. Let's review all 4 rules we learned. Rule 1. For most verbs, simply add s. Rule 2. For verbs ending in s, x, z, ch, or sh, add es instead. Rule 3. For verbs ending in a consonant plus y, change the y to I and add es. Rule 4. For verbs ending in a vowel plus y, just add s. Remember, all these rules apply only to the third person singular pronouns, he, she, and it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.